Hi everyone, welcome to part 1 of my new school supplies drawing series. Today we are going to draw a book. So let's start. Here I use a ruler for drawing. This is so much easy and so much simple drawing. I hope all people can draw this, especially for kids and beginners like this. Use your hand freely. These are for the page and few lines like this here, and in this place I add few lines. They are somewhat small and I save same spaces between them, and I write book, and here few lines like some statements, and I add a decoration in corners like this and color it with marker pen. If you like, you can add any other color for these places, but here I add black color. I hope you all can draw this. Here we finish our drawing. Let's color the book. I normally use color pencils. Here in these lines, one by one I use dark blue as a deep layer like this, and here. After that I add light blue. This one also has a deep layer in other places like this. If you like, you can use any other colors also as your favorite. Here in this place, front page, I use dark blue as a deep layer to light layer with starting in outlines like this. You can use red color also for this here, and in other places I add yellow color as a deep layer all over there. You can use light blue also for this like this, and the page I use light blue as a deep layer all over there. So we finish our book. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you.